No, you're not first, Brett. It feels like it because you don't see any chat history, but everybody's chat history in Zoom starts at the beginning of when they get there. I will tell you who was the first one to chat. It was Sergio Chavez. No, you got beat by a lot, actually. Sergio, then Cesar, as far as people typing stuff in. Class was great last night. Thanks, Kyle. Good morning. Good morning. All right. I've already got most of the picks up this morning that are the hot picks this morning. And we're ready to trade these puppies. So we have the space swing trade. Who's in that space swing trade? The one that we alerted, I don't know, 3 weeks ago. All right, Melvin. So Melvin, how much are you up on your contract already? No percentage? Which does it say? As of yesterday's close. Cool. I'm really curious. And Charlene, you've got some too. Charlene, are you in shares or options? Shares, nice. Well, you're going to be up 93% this morning. What was your cost average entry? About $25? Yeah, we're going to day trade space as well. If it goes up, 27. Okay, so you'll be up about, I don't know, 80% this morning. I don't know, maybe it tells you what you're up. Awesome. And Nike, that's pretty much front and center here. We're watching Nike. We'll be doing a dip buy on Nike or a breakout. We'll capture the breakout. Like OSMT is breaking out right now, pre-market. You can get OSMT for $1.10 of risk. OSMT pre-market, $1.10 of risk. That's something that's triggering right now. Morning, everybody. It was a fun class last night. It's fun to teach you guys stuff that's super interesting and impactful on our lives. That was a good one. Melvin's up 223% on space, and that's as of yesterday. Now it's going to be up 9 points from there, and I think he might be up close to 400%. Melvin, let me know. How many options you got, Melvin? Just the one contract? Okay, well, we'll watch it today. All right, yeah, we got to wait for like the all out then on your position. Don't be contract yet. Although we are running into this congestion area, so it could be today that I have you do that. And you can't be too bummed about 400% gain, like don't come back to me later and going, dude, I would have made 700%. I mean, yeah, maybe, let's watch it, Melvin. It's going to be apparently it's going to be a good day on the market. Hot day. Very hot market this morning. Let's get Nike up on the high speed setup. Woulda, shoulda, coulda about what? Thinking of selling it to would have, could have, should have. You mean as far as like wish you had got more than one contract? Well, there's a right there's a perfect amount that you could buy based on how big your portfolio is. And that's based on the 1% rule. So that's how you could have figured out if you should have bought more, because it is likely that you should not have. And that's just the way it is. And that's okay. Just realize that, let's say you're getting 400% gain here, and it took, I don't know, when did we get into that? What is it, about a month, maybe 5 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago? Let's say 4 weeks ago. I know, Melvin. Yeah, but you with swing trades, it can be okay to get options based on if the 1% rule is telling you to get like 75 shares. Now you can get one 75 delta swing option. So anyway, let's say you make 400% in 5 weeks, is what the whole time. Let's say it was 4 weeks. So now we can do the math on that to see what did that work out per day. So we go, there's 4.345 weeks in a month. How many trading days on average are there in a week? Let's see, you have to do 250 divided by how many, let me just double check. How many trading days are there in a year? I always use 250, but it might be less. 253 actually. So, right. So now we go 253 divided by 365 times 52 weeks. What? Oh, 30. No, what did I do wrong there? 253 divided by 7. I still got the same number. Interesting. What the hell am I doing here? 36. I'm trying to get how many average days are there per week. I have to divide by 52. That's what it is. Times 6. It's 365 divided by 52. Okay. Times 52. No, divided by 52. No, that's not good. Is that going to work? That's going to be 36. 253 divided by 65 is, why is that? Okay, 0.69. Times 365. No, my God. Okay. What am I? Oh, times 52 is 36 weeks. Good Lord, I can't. Does anybody know what the average number of days per week there are? Wow, why am I unable to mathematically figure this out this morning? There's 36.04 trading weeks per year. And then I multiply that by 7, we get 253 again. No, here it is. This is all you do. 253 out of 365 days a year is 0.69 times 7. 4.85 days a week. There we go. Thank you, Sarah. Sarah did it, but we both figured it out at the same time, so I win too. There we go. 4.85 trading days per week. So listen, we were in it for 4 weeks. 4.85. You made 400% gains. That's 5, because 100% gains is 2. 1.00 times your capital is 0. 100% gains is 2, because that's a doubling. It would be double your portfolio. So 400% gains is 5. So then we do that, take that to the power of, we got that in 4 weeks. We could say, hey, what is that weekly? That's 49.5% return on that position weekly. But what is that in days per day? And you just multiply that by 4.85 on the bottom, and we get 8.7% return per day compounding. 8.7% per day compounding. That was super, super great. So these are the kinds of positions that you want to be adding on to sometimes. We had an add-on at 38 that we could have made 3 days ago. I think I might have mentioned it, and then maybe some of the advanced traders did it. But you can gross up to maybe 25% of your portfolio in risk with some of these ones that are super skyrocketers. But we could talk about that in another week, how to gross up. if there are 250 trading days a year and there's 52 weeks in a year, well, yeah, you could do it that way too. Yeah. What I did is there's 253 trading days in a year out of 365 days in a year. And so proportionally, you get 0.69% of the year are trading days. So that is what proportion of 7 days in a week, and it's 4.85. So it works both ways. All right. Yeah. You in OSMT? We got into OSMT. How you guys doing, guys? Good morning over on TikTok. Should you sell your Tesla at the open? Probably not. Tesla's doing good, right? Let me take a quick look at that. Tesla's up from yesterday's close. If Tesla can get over yesterday's high, hold. If it can't and it starts retreating back and it touches yesterday's high, close, if it touches yesterday's close, then sell. All right. All right, so we are looking at space, Virgin Galactic Space, and Nike pretty heavily. Nike being right here, and space being right here on my charts. I also have up PSAC and sack of shit. No, just kidding. No, but we have PSAC and OSMT. We're getting in that right now. GRVI and PIRS, which is one letter away from PISS, might I remind you, and Tesla and FFHL. We have a lot of things popping this morning. FGen. No, we didn't talk about SNCR yesterday, Jamie. What about it? Can't get it in Thinkorswim. What the heck? GRVI? GRVI? Yeah, it's here. I've got it in Thinkorswim. Thanks. You have some more? Thank you. Nike went up because of unbelievable earnings. I think it was 12 billion in revenue or something. It was historic earnings. Yeah, it was huge. It's GRVI, that one that we're talking about. What about SNCR? Why do I take a look at it? All right, so now I've got my used stock trade up here too as well. And we can already start to figure out some risk. On space, we're talking about $1.50 of risk of entry if it breaks high. On Nike, it's about to break high, guys. So and that's $4 of risk. I'm sorry, $4.50 of risk. Now, for some of you, when you do the 1% rule, because you have a very small account, possibly, you may only be able to buy a couple of shares. But let me tell you this. Yesterday, I got into, what was it? We traded something yesterday, TTD. And because it was a $500 account following the 1% rule, I was only able to buy 5 shares. By the end of the day, I actually had made a mistake at the beginning of the day and lost $8. By the end of the day, I brought that $500 account up to $527. That was more than a 5% gain on the entire portfolio in one day, just with 5 shares. So trust me, follow the 1% rule and make these gains every day, and you're going to see your accounts exploding. And don't be worried about the 1% rule, or that you're only buying a couple shares. If you buy the option, you will blow up your account and destroy your account and have nothing left. 90% of new traders lose 90% of their money within 90 days. That's a fact. Look it up. All right, so now over in what is this again? Use stock trade. I'm inputting my these different stocks that might hit, right? That's the nice thing about use stock trade on the desktop, is you can put your order tickets. Basically, use stock trade is just order tickets. You still need a charting platform. In my opinion, it has charting, but it's impossible to use it. But it's like a order ticket, unlimited day trades place. Can I recap the 1% rule? It's in my market mastery classes. So just shoot me a message, and I'll get you the link to those classes so you can learn it. A real quick recap is you take 1% of your portfolio, divide that by the trade risk. So you need to take the classes in order to figure out what all that means, probably. All right, PSAC. So the risk right now on Space is $1.50 for breakout entry on Space, $1.50. We have 11 minutes to the open. And then over here on PSAC, we've got like 1675 stop and 1775 breakout, so $1 risk on PSAC. Yes, it does, Suraj. Yes, and that's mentioned in the masterclass. Take the 1% rule masterclass. You guys study it this weekend. How you guys doing over on TikTok? Nice to see you this morning, and YouTube. How are you? We'll be trading in about 10 minutes here and shutting down the pre-market TikTok YouTube show. But then we'll be live trading in my trading group. If you'd like to join us, click the link in my bio over on TikTok on my profile page for TikTok profile page to join the Discord, and then pick up a 7-day free pass and come trade with us this morning. It's going to be a hot trading day this morning. We've got a lot of poppers. All right, we got 10 minutes to the open. I'm going to refresh the market chameleon, see if anything else maybe is popping, because it is a hot morning. Hey, good. No, it's the same suspects. Good. OSMT up 75%. Did you guys get into that OSMT, some of you, pre-market? OSMT with $1 of risk. $1, Ishmael. And now you can still get in. It's pulled back. 90 cents of risk right now. The out is basically 4 with some padding. The risk on PSAC is $1. Where we got that. So that's the thing I do like about Ustock Trade, which I haven't seen in really any other software. Here goes Nike. Nike's breaking out before the market opens for $4.50 of risk. Nike could be getting away from you. $4.50 of risk. It is likely there's going to be some sell-off at the open. So we'll be up about 400% on our space swing at the open. That's about a 4 or 5 week swing trade that we got in on the bottom reversal in space. Getting those bottom reversals, as you can now see, can be quite profitable. You got to kind of know what you're looking at. It's got to have increasing volume, and you'll get the hang of it when you stick with me. But yeah, we'll be sitting on about 400% gains. If you have multiple contracts or shares, you take about 20 to 50% of your position off this morning. Give it 5 minutes to establish a range. Give it 5 minutes when the market opens on space with your position. Anytime one of your positions opens on a gap, always give it 5 minutes. The 5:30 rule is what we call it. 5 minutes and then give it 30 minutes. Okay, good, Siraj. Nice. Troy thinks what's going to be a good one today? I'm going to move my screens around a little bit here. Hey, everybody on TikTok, good morning. Make sure you click the link in my bio. Don't worry about it. GVIR ain't It ain't the end. GRVI is what it is, not GVIR. GRVI. Unless I'm mistaken. No, but I mean, it has all the signatures that it said in the stock market chameleon. It's GRVI, yes. Can't make money if you can't type 4 letters in a row, right? So I always double check that. What's up, Nick Kovacs? Good morning. You're on day 4 of the 7-day trial. How can you come straight to the Zoom, Brian? Come into the Discord and then go over to VIP chat or Zoom string link, live Zoom links. And that's where you can jump into the Zoom. Well, that makes a difference. What are you talking about? Sarah and Troy, I can get it to pull up on the app on my phone. The spelling? Yeah, exactly. How to get the spelling right, guys. That's kind of an important part of this. If anybody would like the link to my market mastery classes, just send me a private message on TikTok or Discord. Somebody can drop the link over here in the Zoom. You guys definitely should study this weekend. You want to come back Monday filled with armor. There goes Nike. Nike going more. Did you guys catch that breakout on Nike at 152.50? It's now at 153.30. All right, Daniel, welcome. 5 minutes to the open. There's a lot of IPOs today. Okay, awesome. Looking forward to it. Shiba Inu, totally crap. And the entire crypto market right now is bearish. So be ready to be buying when Bitcoin, buy your favorite cryptos when Bitcoin gets down below 25,000. That's the zone. That's the money making zone. Killer class last night. Yeah, Vanessa. Mindset changing, huh? Hopefully. Mindset change. If you can change mindsets, those are life changing. Mindset changing is life changing stuff. Love a class, yeah. Vanessa, like what sticks out to you as like the killer lesson? Like what was it? Thanks, Justin. Red Limit. Some of the classes I recorded. That one wasn't for the archive, but the lessons will be cut out and posted into the Market Mastery video lessons this weekend. Somebody dropped a link. The all-day trade with pivot points. Yeah, Vanessa. Yeah, now you can calm your nerves on that because you know at worst you'll lose 1%, and you'll know at most you get to just watch it do its thing all day, right? That's it. Those are the two choices. Well, actually, you can end up breaking even. You can end up making a little bit of money, but you can also end up making a lot of money. So, all in all, it's really great. You guys can get into Nike at a better risk right now. It's 152.50 back at the breakout. It pulled back. We got 3 minutes to the open. All right, Dondrell, I'm going to put it in the Market Mastery this weekend. So you guys figured out how many shares you can get of all these different things, and you got them ready? Get your order tickets ready. And then we're going to wait for the trigger at the opening bell in case there's a different trigger. I may call out a different risk if the risk changes. Nike, yeah, NKE, not NIKE, NKE, space SPCE, OSMT. And then we're also watching PSAC, FFHL, GRVI, OSMT, and PIRS. So we'll be sitting on 400% gains at the open, roughly, on our space swing trade. And this is just the first partial profit target along the journey, or the swing trade. For the day trade, we'll also be day trading the crap out of it. The risk is $1.50. All right, we got 1 minute and 20 seconds to the open. If your name is Zoom user, you need to retype your name. We really don't like communicating with people who are like acting anonymous. All right, 39 seconds to the open. All right, everybody on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio and come join us in the live trading room. This stream is about to be over. See you later, guys, over on TikTok. Remember to click the link in my bio. Grab a 7-day free pass, and you're in. You'll be trading with us in the Zoom right now. ETT, we're not trading today. Well, okay, there's a risk on that. If you wanted to trade it, there's a risk of $2.50. If you get into that. Nike and Space pulling back right before the open, and the market is open. Right, so we're looking for a breakout on Nike and Space. The new breakout on Nike will be at 153.50 for a different level of risk now. And Space, so both of them are, everybody's taking profits.